Millions of vehicles around the world every day. But are we taking enough care of them in return? We love our bikes on tour, for city trips, in sports. We love our motorbikes. We ride them as often as we can, on scenic routes, off-road, with friends. We love our old-timers and watch out for every dirt or scratch. We handle them with kid gloves. We love our cars. We drive them nearly every day to work, for holidays or for weekend trips. What if there is one product to care for all our vehicles, without needing a single drop of water, ready for use wherever you are, completely sustainable, and so easy to use? What if there is this one product?